Each letter represents a certain digit from 0 to 9. Same letters represent the same digits. Different letters represent different digits. In Lesson 1, we learned the correct process of observation. Observation, interpretation by trying examples, finding clues, and problem solving. In Lesson 2, we will apply this process to a problem. The goal is not just finding the answer, but looking at each place value in the addition sentence as a condition and interpreting it. If you understand what each place is saying, the answer will naturally follow. An addition sentence adds a part to find the whole. We will practice understanding this structure and interpreting the conditions of each place. When the student tries to find the answer first, do not stop them immediately. Let them solve it, and later guide them by asking, "Shall we try solving it again using the observation process?" Whenever the student states a claim, make sure they state the reason as well. When the student says they don't understand, do not explain it right away. Just tell them, "Try some examples." Solve the problem and share your answer.
I finished.
Which letter did you figure out first?
I solved it all.
It only took you about 3 minutes to solve it. Which letter did you figure out first?
A. A is 1.
A is in both the hundreds place and the ones place. Which A did you figure out?
The A in the ones place.
Why did you think of the A in the ones place first?
Because this is an addition problem. We calculate addition starting from the ones place.
How did you figure it out?
I thought of A as 1. Then the problem becomes 1 plus BB equals 1 CC. Since I added a 2-digit number to 1, and got a 3-digit number, BB must be 99. So, B is 9 and C is 0.
You said we calculate addition starting from the ones place. Can you explain why?
We have to start from the ones place to see if there is a carryover. To make sure we don't miss the carryover, we have to start from the ones place.
What does an addition sentence try to find?
The sum.
Can you also tell me what we are adding to what?
I'm not sure.
An addition sentence is adding a part to find the whole. I will use the word whole instead of sum. Let's look at this example. Which numbers do we add first?
The numbers in the ones place, 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15.
So you would write 5 in the ones place, C. And you also have to mark the carryover one in the tens place.
Yes, that's right.
Now, try calculating the tens place.
I add 7 to 8. And add the carryover 1. That makes 16. I write 6 in the tens place, B, and mark the carryover in the hundreds place.
Calculate the hundreds place.
I add 4 to 3, and add the carryover 1. 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals 8.
The whole is 865. This time, let's calculate starting from the hundreds place. Imagine a student wrote 7 for A in the hundreds place. Is that correct?
No. Because there is a carryover from the tens place, A has to be 8.
Right. Whenever anyone calculates the hundreds place, they must check if there is a carryover from the tens place. Are there many students who ignore the tens place and only add the hundreds place?
No. Probably not.
Then, we can calculate the hundreds place by checking if there's a carryover from the tens place, even without writing down the carryover number.
Yes. We can do that.
Then, try calculating an order from the hundreds place to the tens place to the ones place. What is A in the hundreds place?
It's 8.
What about B in the tens place?
It's 6.
And C in the ones place?
It's 5.
There are 2 ways to do addition. Going from the ones place to the highest place, and going from the highest place to the ones place. If you calculate from the highest place down to the ones place, it's easy to visually check. If a carryover is coming from the neighbor on the right, so there are fewer mistakes. Do you remember the observation process we learned last time?
You said interpretation is the foundation of observation.
Can you explain what interpretation is?
It means understanding what the conditions mean.
Did you solve this problem using the observation process?
No. I just tried to find the answer right away.
This time, don't try to find the answer. Try to interpret the conditions of each place. Start from the hundreds place and tell me what the condition is saying.
A in the hundreds place is 1.
Make sure to explain your reason when you make a claim.
I added a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number, and a carryover happened to the hundreds place. So, A in the hundreds place is 1. Since A is 1, BB has to be 99, so B is 9, and C is 0.
Let's observe together. Let's interpret the hundreds place again. There is only A in the hundreds place. What do you think that means?
There are no hundreds in the parts. But there is an A in the hundreds place of the whole. This means there is a carryover from the tens place.
I see. Now, let's interpret the tens place. You just said there is a carryover from the tens place to the hundreds place, right?
Yes. I said that.
Is a carryover from the tens place to the hundreds place possible here?
I'm not sure what your question means.
What did we agree to do when you don't understand?
Try some examples.
Right. In the tens place of the part, there is only B. My question is, how is a carryover possible when there is only one number? Try some examples to figure it out. When does a carryover happen?
When we add 2 numbers and it becomes 10 or more.
But in the problem, there is only B in the tens place. What needs to happen to have a carryover to the hundreds place?
There has to be a carryover from the ones place.
If there is a carryover from the ones place, what would that carryover be?
The carryover is 1. If there is a carryover from the ones place, it can be added to B and create a carryover to the hundreds place.
Let me summarize what you observed. 1. There is an A only in the hundreds place of the whole. This means there is a carryover from the tens place. From this, we know A is 1. 2. In the tens place, a carryover to the hundreds place happened without any other number to add in the parts. This means there is a carryover from the ones place. 3. Since we added 2 digits in the ones place, the carryover is 1. 4. For B in the tens place, and 1 to add up and create a carryover to the hundreds place, B must be 9. Let's summarize it simply again. We applied the observation process to an addition problem. Observation. Interpretation by trying examples. Finding clues. Problem solving. If you try to find the answer first, you miss what the conditions are saying. If you view each place as a condition and interpret it, clues will naturally follow. Why do you calculate starting from the ones place? This is a question that makes them attach a reason to a habitual action. Stating the reason is interpretation. How is a carryover possible when there is only one number? This is a question that makes them use examples to judge when they don't understand. They experience again that trying examples is the method of interpretation. Did you solve it using the observation process? This is a question that makes the student self-aware that they habitually tried to find the answer. The observation process must be applied consciously.